The Dolphin Genuine Replacement part, model number 9995671-US ASSY, is a reliable basic power supply unit designed to keep your pool cleaner running smoothly. This power supply unit is equipped with a filter indicator, ensuring that you can easily monitor and maintain your pool cleaner's performance. It is compatible with a wide range of models, including C3, C4, C5, DLX5, DX6, Odyssey, Pro X2, Prowler 820, Wave 100, Wave 80, and Wave 90, making it a versatile choice for many pool owners. Manufactured by Maytronics, this power supply unit is a certified genuine part, ensuring high quality and durability. The unit features a power output of 180 watts, providing ample power for efficient pool cleaning operations. With dimensions of 12 and 7/100 centimeters in height, 33 centimeters in length, and 22 and 9/10 centimeters in width, and a weight of 3,175 grams, it is compact yet robust.